Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Greenworks Electric Pressure Washer. The Greenworks 2000 PSI pressure washer is a fine choice for just about any light to medium cleaning task around your home. But the included 11-inch rotating surface cleaner makes it even better when you have a large stretch of flat surface to clean. This device is on 3 such surfaces that house siding, a driveway, and a fence. We also used it to clean a car with excellent results. At 2,000 pounds per square inch, the pressure washer delivers 1.1 GPM. Along with the 11-inch surface cleaner, it comes with 3 nozzles, a cleaning wand, 20-foot heavy-duty hose, and 35-foot power cord. Onboard storage makes it easy to keep everything in place, and the machine itself is fairly easy to set up and use, taking us only 24 minutes from opening the box to having the machine ready to go. It's reasonably quiet, as well. Our second best driveway pressure washer is Sunjoe SPX 3000 Electric High Pressure Washer. Sunjoe SPX 2688 Max Pressure Washer will serve you just fine. This budget-friendly model isn't designed for the heaviest jobs, but with a 13-amp motor that delivers 2,050 pounds per square inch at 1.4 GPM, it's more than sufficient for most lightweight cleaning demands. It took us less than 10 minutes to have the machine up and running. This budget-friendly model isn't designed for the heaviest jobs, but with a 13-amp motor that delivers 2,050 pounds per square inch at 1.4 GPM, it's more than sufficient for most lightweight cleaning demands. It took us less than 10 minutes to have the machine up and running. The machine includes 3 nozzles, a 20-foot steel reinforced hose, a 35-foot power cable, onboard detergent container, and a 34-inch extension wand. At a mere 21.4 pounds, this is a very light pressure washer that has 2 wheels, so it's easy to maneuver where you need it. Third choice in our list is Greenworks Electric Pressure Washer. The Greenworks Pro 3000 PSI brushless pressure washer took us 26 minutes to unbox and assemble. You can use it to clean a lawnmower, driveway, and wooden deck. The device comes with 5 nozzles, but it was the turbo nozzle that really dazzled us. The grime started washing away immediately. This powerful electric tool has a 14-amp brushless motor that propels water at 1.1 GPM on 3,000 pounds per square inch or 2 GPM on 100 pounds per square inch. Its onboard detergent tank holds 1 gallon of soap. This found it very intuitive to use. The cord is nice and long at 35 feet, which came in handy for driveway cleaning project. The nozzles were easy to switch out, and there was no leakage or spraying when taking them on and off. This is a great choice for cleaning decks or wooden fences. Number 4 on our side is Sunjoe SPX 3001 Electric Pressure Washer. They tend to be loud, large, and equipped with various nozzles and hoses that might be overwhelming if you've never used such a machine before. However, the Sunjoe SPX 3001 is very user-friendly, compact in size, not exceptionally loud, and reasonably powered, making it an ideal choice if you are shopping for your first pressure washer. It took us only 13 minutes to have the machine up and running, and once it was ready, this device can be used to clean a car, a concrete driveway, and old stone pillars that were encrusted with mildew, dirt, and algae. Additionally, it did take a few passes to remove heavy mildew. However, it effectively removed lighter mildew and algae growth from a wide range of surfaces without much effort. Last in our top 5 best driveway pressure washer list is Greenworks Pro Electric Pressure Washer. The best pressure washer for use around your home has enough power in gallons per minute to blast away grime from walkways, cars, siding, and patio furniture, but not so much power that it damages surfaces. It should also be easy to use and store. Luckily, the Greenworks Pro 2300 PSI pressure washer fits the bill, winning at the top spot as pressure washer for use around the home. It took us only 10 minutes to set the machine up and get it running. The device washed the car beautifully without any damage, knocking off bugs at the first spray and leaving the car clean and shiny with the second pass of the sprayer. The pressure washer comes with a 25-foot kink-resistant hose, 35-foot power cord, wand, and onboard detergent tank. It's easy to use. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.